To generate new flashcards, you have to click on the plus icon at the top right of the screen. Make a new lesson group, for example, French. You can also choose a photo from your gallery or take it with your camera. Be sure to save it. You can see it right here. Click on it and choose Add Book. Write a title for it, for example, Book 1. Order index specifies the number of this book in this group. You can also set a password for it. The ratio is related to the hardness or easiness level of your word. The harder your word is, the more time they will have to answer the question. 1.2 stands for 1.2 seconds per letter to answer the question. By choosing one of these options, you clarify how to answer. By selecting Question, you can see the question to answer. By selecting the answer, you can see the answer to answer. By selecting Description, you can see the explanation to answer. And by selecting Picture, you can see the picture to answer. Count time refers to the time spent before the app re-asks you the first question. It can be set to 1 day, 1 hour, or 1 minute later. The time is how often the card will be reviewed. If answered correctly, the app will re-ask in 1 day, then 2 days, and multiples of 2 from then on, to keep it fresh in the user's memory. Box count shows the number of your flashcards, and you can also choose a photo from your gallery or take it with your phone. After creating the book, the next part is adding the lesson. Choose the title for each, for example, Lesson 1. Order index specifies the number of this lesson in this book. Then fill out the story title and description title. All flashcards can be combined in a story or lesson and translate them into the description to have all new words in one section and review them easily. Complete the story title and the story, and complete the description. You can add different photos, bold and underline the text, right or left align the text, and you can change the color of the text. You can also add a link for a YouTube video. After creating the lesson, it's time to create the flashcards. Go to Lesson 1 and click on the plus icon. It will have 3 different parts. The first part you could write the question. In the second part, you write the answer. And the third part, you can write the translation or further details of the word. You can also record your words to hear it later. If you turn on the autoplay, it plays the flashcard as soon as it enters into the questioning section. If you turn on the spell check, you have to write the word later, so you can work on the dictation too. You can also choose a photo from your gallery and save it. Fast learning is so easy and fun. Try it now.